Hello, hello.
Welcome to
17,000 Flavors of Indonesia.
Alright then, today what are we gonna cook? You wanna cook or me
cook? Well, we're gonna do a combo here.
Okay.
So we are going to cook a pasta dish. We're gonna use a spinach fettuccine that I kind of cheated a little bit because I cooked it a little earlier, so we'd have it ready for this dish. And we're going to use some vegetables. We're going to add some shrimp today, and we're going to use one of the seasonings called BUMBU.
PUTIH.
This is the white seasoning. The flavors in this. Some of the flavors.
It's a nutty candlenut and citrusy galangal.
So we've got some very interesting flavors in this pasta that we're going to make today. So,
oh yeah, again we have to remind them what is galangal. It's a ginger sister, less spicy.
Yes,
it's a root.
Yes, yes. So we're going to start by adding a little bit of oil to the pan.
That's it.
All of it. Are we going to start with any vegetables yet?
So let's do this. You need more?
The restaurant is actually closed right now. So we are taking advantage of the opportunity. We're going to start showing people how easy it is to use these seasonings. So we have a burner in our backyard, and we've got we found these vegetables in a refrigerator today. We just want everybody to see how easy it is with whatever you have in your refrigerator. You can make an amazing meals with our seasonings here. So today this is the BUMBU PUTIH that we're going to use here. I'm going to turn the heat back up a little bit.
Again, we don't have spoons, so we use fork.
Yes,
it's not 2 spoons, it's not 3 spoons, it's fork. So you can put whatever you want.
We don't want people to think this is really difficult. We want to just show everybody how easy it is. So. And the more you love the flavor, the more you can use.
Yeah, you can always add later.
You can't overdo it, I don't think. We made a shrimp dish earlier today for kind of like breakfast. We didn't videotape it, but I ate it all. It was so good. So these burners are really cool. They have just a little butane bottle or canister, and they heat up so fast.
You're going to put the shrimp now?
Do we? Okay. Alright, so here we go with the shrimp. So you'll probably see us doing a lot of seafood dishes because we just like seafood.
When I grew up back then in my island, it's everything with seafood. As I remember, I don't really eat red meat.
Okay.
It's more like seafood. Fish, shrimp, crab, mussel, things like that.
So these seasonings are perfect for that.
And then we need salt.
If you need salt.
Yeah.
This again is what?
It's called umami. It's a multi-purpose seasoning blend, which is salt and mushroom. It's a very healthy, no preservative, no nothing.
This is smelling so good.
If you want it spicy, we have sambal.
Yeah, so this is the sambal that I actually had earlier with my shrimp dish, and I thought I would add a little bit into this dish as well. He's adding the spinach fettuccine now. Wow.
Do you want more? All of them?
Yeah, go ahead. Let's just do it. This dish is turning out to be plenty for 2 people, definitely. If you're a light eater, but we like to eat.
And then sambal. This is very spicy, so
a little goes a long way.
Yeah, probably just like this is already very spicy.
Okay.
And you want more? Or if you don't want to have a chili spicy, so you can always use
a little white pepper.
I'm gonna put a little bit more. Pepper.
You'll probably notice that I don't do too much cooking. But, so if I can cook it, you guys can cook it.
We don't eat a lot of salt to make the taste come out. We use coconut palm sugar. This is sugar that we use in Indonesia back then when I was a kid. We don't really use asuka or white sugar. We use this. Put in your dish to make the taste even better.
So besides cooking the pasta that you want to use,
Faster.
I mean, this is really fast, and you've got
or any leftover pasta. For example, you make a pasta the day before, and then you have a leftover, so you can always use this seasoning. So now, what we're gonna get? I think it's cooked.
yeah, definitely.
I don't want to overcook.
We literally have enough pasta here for 3 people.
Very simple. So the shrimp is not overcooked because shrimp is very easy to cook. It's very fast.
Wow.
Yeah, it's very simple way. If you want more spicy, then we can always put more spicy.
All right, so we're gonna add a little bit more, and then I'll mix it up in a minute. So there you go. We have a very simple dish here: spinach fettuccine, vegetables, and shrimp with our BUMBU PUTIH seasoning here.
Yes,
so
BUMBU PUTIH. Oh, nice. Do you have another spoon? In Indonesia, we don't use fork to eat. Either you use your hand or spoon.
So,
I'm not gonna be spicy anymore.
these seasonings, and this is the BUMBU PUTIH, it really just brings in some amazing new flavors to just some of our everyday dishes here in the States. And I love pasta. I get bored of pasta, but
With this new taste.
with this new flavor, it just really enhances it and
It's spicy.
and takes it to a totally new level, and it's really good. So try this at home. It's very easy. We literally only took like 7 or 8 minutes, and it can be with anything that you've got in your refrigerator.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing. He's got to go get some water, and he's the Indonesian. Who would have thought? He's the one that needs water, and it's really not that spicy. The sambal he makes is very good. It's so much different than sriracha or I don't know, other things like hot sauce. This has really got some amazing flavor along with it. Even with its heat. Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm coming back with my fork. Which should I go?
Even with the heat, it just adds some really nice flavor. But
Yeah, if you don't want to put the sambal, just because
if you don't want to use the sambal, don't use it.
Yeah.
But if you like a little kick, as you can see, we only used a little bit because it's a chili sauce, chili paste, whatever. And it's all made fresh. Again, even our sambal, there's no artificial ingredients in it whatsoever. We use only fresh stuff. It's really good. This is just another quick and easy, very flavorful dish that you can make with our seasoning here. Your family and your friends would just be amazed. They'll wonder what cooking school you went to. Oh my God.
You forget. I'm almost done.
I know, we're almost done, and I forgot a little bit of cheese. A little Parmesan on the top. Forgot. Yum, yum, yum. Check in with us later. What do you think we're going to make next?
Maybe we're gonna make like a veggie stuff.
A veggie dish?
Yeah, veggie dish. All right then.
All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching.
And then see you very soon.
And see you next time. 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Make the world tastier.